humanity reaches new depths of space. Artemis II breaks Apollo-era records in a historic milestone for deep space exploration. The Artemis II mission has officially carried humans farther from Earth than at any point in history. On Monday, April 6, 2026, the Orion spacecraft integrity surpassed the long-standing distance record held by Apollo 13 since 1970, breaking the 50-year record at 17:56 UTC. The spacecraft, carrying a crew of 4, moved beyond the 400,171-kilometer mark previously set by the Apollo 13 mission. The record was officially shattered at 23:02 UTC, when Integrity reached a maximum distance of 406,771 kilometers while traveling beyond the far side of the Moon. To put this achievement in perspective, the average distance to the Moon is approximately 384,400 kilometers. The crew traveled tens of thousands of kilometers beyond the Moon's orbit. This feat marks the first time humans have ventured this deep into the cosmos since the end of the Apollo era in 1972. Life beyond the lunar orbit, the mission is not merely a feat of distance. It is a rigorous test of human endurance and technical reliability. The crew commander Reed Weissman, pilot Victor Glover, and mission specialists Christina Koch and Jeremy Hansen is navigating the complexities of long-duration deep space travel. While the mission has encountered mundane challenges common to life in confined spaces, such as software troubleshooting and sanitation issues, the scientific and observational rewards have been profound. Key mission highlights: the Earthrise view. After a 40-minute communications blackout caused by the Moon's shadow, the crew emerged to witness an Earthrise over the lunar limb. Lunar observations. Flying just 6,545 kilometers from the lunar surface, the crew identified several craters and has proposed new names for them. One for the spacecraft, Integrity, and another in honor of Weissman's late wife, Carol. Hello, world. Commander Weissman captured the first photograph of Earth as a complete, seamless sphere since the Apollo missions. Why this milestone matters: this mission is a critical bridge between the era of lunar flybys and the era of lunar habitation. Artemis II serves as the ultimate stress test for the systems intended to sustain life in deep space. By studying how a crew operates in tight quarters far from Earth, NASA is gathering the data necessary to make future landings possible. The success of Integrity paves the way for the next phases of the Artemis program. Artemis III, scheduled for 2027, focused on testing rendezvous and docking procedures in low Earth orbit. Artemis IV, targeted for 2028, aiming for a crewed landing near the Moon's south pole to conduct intensive scientific research. The final challenge: returning home despite the record-breaking distance achieved. The most perilous part of the mission lies ahead. The crew must now undergo a high-speed re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, utilizing a 2-stage parachute deployment for a splashdown in the Pacific Ocean near San Diego. This final phase is expected to take place on April 10. Their dedication is about more than breaking records. It's fueling our hope for a bold future. Lori Glaze, NASA Exploration Systems Development Mission Directorate conclusion. By surpassing the distances reached during the Apollo era, Artemis II has transitioned humanity from merely visiting the Moon to mastering the logistics of deep space travel, setting the stage for permanent lunar exploration.